Whether it is the bustling streets of the city or the comfortable indoor lighting, the light on the road of traffic, the mysterious light in the sea, or even the starlight in space voyage, our products light it up. Our products, with its stable quality, excellent performance, a wide range of applications, won the praise of customers around the world. Mynice Optoeletronics is located in the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area, Shenzhen, which is a national high-tech enterprise. High-tech enterprise in Guangdong Province and national specialized special new small giant enterprise. It is the national standard setting unit of China LED guided sign carrier. It has the only CNAS National Laboratory of LED signage and lightbox illumination industry in the country. It is China's LED advertising signage and lightbox and LED linear lighting, LED props display lighting leader. Since its establishment in 2006, the company has gradually developed into a large enterprise with Shenzhen R&D Center, Shenzhen Headquarters factory and overseas factory in Yangon, Myanmar. It has a total of nearly 40,000 square meters of standard plants and more than 800 skilled production workers and technicians. The company focuses on R&D and innovation and has created a professional R&D team of more than 50 people, with well-known international experts in the same industry and senior LED optical experts, and has obtained nearly 100 patents. The company has a modern raw material testing room, engineering sample room, and LED dehumidification baking room, all raw materials for 100% inspection. At the same time, the company has 5 high-level international laboratories, equipped with the most complete testing equipment to ensure that the industry to maintain the leading level. In addition, the company has introduced the world's leading LED automatic packaging production line and LED advertising signage and lightbox lighting, LED linear lighting products automatic production line, to achieve stable quality, strong production capacity and delivery capacity, and provide customers with quality products and quality services. At present, the company's monthly production capacity of injection molding modules has reached more than 20 million pieces. The monthly output of flex strips has reached more than 4 million meters, and the monthly output of rigid strips has reached more than 800,000 meters. The company has 2 brands of Mynice LED signage and lightbox illumination and Mynice LED linear lighting. Product certification is complete, passing the ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 Management System certification, and passing the UL DLC FCC, ERP, ENEC, CE, ROSE, UKCA, CB, PSE, BIS, CCC, CQC, EX, and other certifications. The company's products sell well in more than 100 countries and regions around the world, and its quality and service have been unanimously recognized and praised by domestic and foreign customers. For our VIP clients, we offer exclusive workshops, ensuring the utmost confidentiality of OEM/ODM production. In future development, Mynice Optoeletronics will continue to adhere to technological innovation as the driving force, with high-quality products and services as the support. Continuously expand the global market, provide services to world-class companies, and strive to become the world's most renowned supplier of LED signage and lightbox illumination, LED strip linear lighting, and LED props display lighting. Let's witness the magnificent chapter of Mynice Optoeletronics leading the advertising signage illumination and linear lighting industry, and jointly open a bright future.